In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a new Oculus Quest 2 controller. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to cover the entire process of making sure that your Oculus Quest 2 headset is connected and you have the necessary controller spared up and ready to go. This is all done through the latest version of the MetaQuest app, so if you don't have it already, make sure that you download the MetaQuest mobile app that you can find on the Play Store or the App Store. Open it up and sign into your Meta account. You can also sign in with Facebook or Instagram. As you might be aware, you need to connect your headset from here. So go to the menu, tap on Devices, and in here you will have the ability to connect your MetaQuest 2 or MetaQuest 3 headset. I'm going to assume that most people have already done this setup, but if you haven't already, just go on Proceed and make sure that it is properly connected to the app. Once the headset is properly set up and connected with the MetaQuest app, you will find it under the Devices tab. All that you have to do after that is to select the headset, and you will find the headset settings when you tap on it. Inside of the headset settings, go into Controllers close to the top, and now you have to connect a new Oculus Quest 2 controller. After you go into the Controllers window, is to tap Pair New Controller. This will give you the usual options and instructions that you must follow to make sure that it is paired up. So select the left or right controller or a gamepad, and you will also get the option to unpair old controllers if you have done already. As you can see, according to the instructions, you will have to hold two specific buttons on the specified controller, and after you are done, they will appear when you select the headset. You can see the battery percentage and they will be properly paired up, ready to use. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect a new Oculus Quest 2 controller. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.